Guys, I came out to the garden today. As you can see, I was really late getting things planted, so things are very, very slow to take off. It's been really hot this year, and I wanted to assess the damage on the plum trees, and I wanted to try to figure out how well the neem oil that we sprayed was working in dealing with the Japanese beetle population. And I'm very, very happy to report that although I did get damage to the trees, I lost a lot of plums initially, there are truthfully very few Japanese beetles left. There's a few, like there's one right there. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can get close enough. Yep, there's one right there. But literally, these things were in clusters, and oh no, oh my gosh, guys. I have no idea what those great big bugs are, but I guess I need to go get the neem oil, if anyone knows what those are. And I know this is really hard to see because of the angle. Let me see if I can angle it this way. If anyone knows what those are, let me know. It's time to spray the neem oil again, and that's what we're going to do. But really, looking at this, it's so much less damage than what it was. So those almost look like giant Japanese beetles, but I've never seen Japanese beetles that big, so I'm going to be looking these up too when I get back inside. But as I said, the garden got off to a really, really late start. I've been so slow planting this year, and I still have a few more things that I would like to get planted. But the tomatoes are looking pretty good. The amaranth is actually looking pretty good. And for as late of a start as I got, I'm really actually very, very pleased. So, and like I said in a previous video, it is not too late to plant. If you haven't already planted, it's best at this point to choose early season crops that don't, I don't mean early season as in cold, but crops that take maybe 50, 60 days, especially if you're in a colder climate like what I am. That way they have plenty of time to mature and grow before frost hits them. So anyway, I'm going to go inside, I'm going to get the neem oil, and I'm going to come back outside, and I'm going to spray this population of Japanese beetles that's left. And hopefully that will get rid of them, because as you can see, I have plenty of plums up here that could still ripen, and I just have to make sure that the Japanese beetles are gone before these start to ripen, so they don't get them too. Please subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, comments below. Thanks for watching, and have a great night.